What's up guys? So we're now back in Touge Battle and we're here at ano ba ngayon? Round 2? Ay, round 2 of Touge Battle. It's good to be back. We have the FK8 here. Still on our shakedown phase, so I'm not really sure kung perform tayo ng maayos today. But we'll see. We're running old tires na EVO 52. Ayun. So Andre just arrived with his EK sedan. So it's already the start of practice and qualifying. So you get 2 practice runs and 2 qualifying runs this morning. Let's make or break. Hopefully we do well. To be honest, I'm not super confident right now. The car's doing well, but I'm not doing well.
Oh my God!
What's up guys? So we're currently lined up. We're gonna do a practice run. And yeah, I'm gonna film it for you. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Sadly, this had to happen. SD error. Oh no. Oh no. Practice and qualifying just ended. I think we did pretty well, but I'm pretty sure that wasn't the limit of the car. While we're having a lunch break, let me show you guys the cars that I'm gonna be competing with and the cars that are joining Touge Battle this round. Ha?
Kuya, parehong vlog.
Ganda yan
ha. Sponsor ba ako ni
dual screen?
sponsor ba ako ni Amsoil pag nag-vlog din ako?
Ako, yan ang di ko masasabi ko. Kailan na-under yung STI mo?
Baka next year. Okay na sa. So yan guys. Check out. Check out.
Hello, hello.
Vlogs FG. Big boy.
Big boy.
See that big boy over there?
Yeah. Time slots are here. Let's see what happened. Where are we? 88. 116. Uy, sino to? 115, no? Ah, R1. Ito yung naka-slicks siya. Yeah, yan yung nag-slicks siya. Huli, no? 113, no? Si Paul ata yan eh. So guys, you saw the lap times. Paul Perez is the fastest with a 113. That's 3 seconds faster than my time. We didn't do bad. We're still a little bit ahead of Mayor Dondon Portugal. So he had a 115 time. That was because he switched to slicks in race class. And yeah, you're allowed to do that. In race class, you can switch to slicks. And then he did a 115 there.
Para sa mga first timers, ang tawag namin kay Easy ay Jollibee.
Bakit?
Malalaman niyo yung kwento pag tagal-tagal.
Sinusuligaw ng bakit?
guys, we just finished our match with the EVO 5, which is over there. And unfortunately, we lost. Yeah, he's on slicks by the way, because we're in race class battles right now. Surprisingly, when I was on the lead, there was still a noticeable distance. But when he was leading, I don't know, bigla na lang bumilis. Like, our gap got significantly bigger. So, I don't know, maybe they have a high boost tune or something. I don't know. It's these two guys that are fastest of the day. The EVO on slicks and the EG on AO52s, but it's super light and quite powerful. So yeah. So I don't have a chance to win in R1, so I'm just gonna jam with my friend Yana.
Hi! Medyo bulag kaming dalawa. Ano to?
1, 2, 3, and
Agad na ba yun? I wait until I sunset. I don't know why I do this. You'll be on my mind. Sana naman narinig niyo yun. Bukod sa ingay. Sana lang.
I hope you enjoyed that cover of Don't Know Why by Norah Jones, and that's Yana over there. So now we're going back to racing. They're calling out the turbo class already, and that's gonna be me versus Mayor Dondon Portugal in the same EVO 5 that beat me a while ago, but this time he's not gonna be on slicks. He's gonna be using, I think, Advan Niova 808Rs. So let's see what's gonna happen. So guys, I just finished my race against Mayor Dondon Portugal, and he was using his EVO, but this time on street tires. Happy to announce that we won that round. We won that round. Good, good. Okay, time to celebrate, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Today was a pretty hard day for me as a driver. My driving was really off at the start of the day. The weather was super duper hot. I even got nosebleed. Our persistence paid off, you know. important life lesson. Just keep trying and you know, you'll eventually get somewhere. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell below and turn on the notifications so that you get notified the next time I upload videos. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much.
In second place, Dondon Portugal, returning with his first Touge Battle race car. Farmer Flyboy, now is keeping it on track. Franz, go! Flyboy ka pa rin!